If you need to cancel a pending transfer with Wesbanco Inc., follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Wesbanco online banking account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Find a pending transfer. Look for the specific transfer you wish to cancel. Pending transfers are usually listed separately, so identify the correct transaction by checking the date and amount. Step 4. Select Cancel option. Click on the pending transfer to open the details. There should be an option to cancel or delete the transfer. Click this option to proceed with the cancellation. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to cancel the transfer. Review the details and confirm your decision to complete the cancellation process. After following these steps, your pending transfer should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wesbanco customer support for assistance.